How to go back on iPhone by swiping. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. From the main Settings page, let's navigate a few screens deep to demonstrate the feature. Scroll down to find the General option and tap on it. Within the General menu, tap on AirDrop to proceed to the next screen. This intuitive gesture will take you back to the previous page, in this case, the General menu. This swipe to go back gesture works across most applications on your iPhone. Let's perform the gesture again to return from the General page back to the main Settings screen. This can be continued until you have gone to the first main panel. Following these steps, you can easily go back on iPhone by swiping. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.